All right, hi guys. So we were finding on our last video, we were finding missing third angle when given two angles. Now we're going to look at a figure that has a bunch of missing angles. So there's a bunch of missing angles in that figure, and we're going to figure out how to find those missing angles from the information that is given in your problem and the information you know up here. So a couple things we know. So what do we know? Well, we know a circle has 360 degrees. We know a right angle is how many degrees? 90 degrees. Okay, so there's two things. We also know a straight angle is 180 degrees. So those are some things we know going into solving this problem. All right, so let's figure out this problem. All right. First of all, let's go over and solve this one first. This one's probably the easiest one. So you have a straight angle here that we know is 180 degrees. So we have 180 degrees total in our angle. So if this one is 118, then we can subtract that from the 180, and that should give us this missing angle here. So if we do that, you get a 2, you get a 6, so it's 62 degrees. So this one, this angle here is 62 degrees. And when you add those back up, it should add up back up to 180. So that's our first angle. Our first angle is 62 degrees. Now let's come over here and solve this one. So we know this is 180 degrees angle here because it's a straight angle. And look what we have here. Here it says right angle. So we know this side is 90 because these must be perpendicular, right? These two lines right here are perpendicular. So we know we have a 90 degree here, and it says we have a 90 degree right here. So therefore, this must be 90 degree here. So this right here would be 90 minus 12, and which is 78. So this angle right here, where the question mark is 78 degrees. Okay, so that's how we're going to find out, because we know that's 90 because it had the 90 degree, it had the little box in the corner. So we knew that was 90. So we subtract out the 12, and that gets us our answer of 78. All right, now let's come over here. Here we have a 180 degree angle. Here we have 180. So if I subtract out the 90 and the 75, so let's add those together first. 90 plus 75, and I get 165. So if I subtract out those, if I take those 165 out of the 180, it should leave me what's left, which is this missing angle right here. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract those, and I get a 5, I get a 1. All right, I get 15 degrees for this angle. So let's go and see if these make sense. So here I have an acute angle. Could 78 degrees be an acute angle? Well, an acute angle is less than 90. So yes, 78 degrees could be an acute angle. How about this one right here? Here's another acute angle. 62 is less than 90, right? So it could be an acute angle. So that's probably right. And this one, 15 degrees, that is an acute angle, and that is an acute angle there. So it could be 15 degrees. And you can always check your answer, because if these three numbers don't add up to the 180, which is here, then this number is not right if it doesn't add up to 180. But it does. We checked our work, and it does. So this is how you can easily solve those missing numbers in a problem, by finding the missing angles. All right, guys, I hope this helps you in doing your work today. All right, have a good day. Bye.